Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cooler conditions across the region this morning. Did see some thunderstorms roll through yesterday evening with a cold front that swept off the eastern seaboard. We'll see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies today, some windy conditions as well. We're currently in a wind advisory and expected to remain in a wind advisory for the rest of the workday today. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this dry cold front or secondary cold front off to our north and west that's going to be moving through today. That's just going to give us a little bit more cloud cover this afternoon as it does move through. And behind that, we'll see some colder air affected in the region tonight. Overall, just seeing those partly to mostly cloudy skies today with some windy conditions, no chance of lightning or precipitation. Our current observation, a few clouds around 6,000, those 25,000, winds out the northwest 15 knots, gusting to 25 knots. Temperature 51 degrees and relative humidity at 57%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we have a little bit of cloud cover off the coast as well as a little bit of cloud cover around 6,000 feet just off to our south. And that cloud cover that's currently across Pennsylvania, western Maryland, West Virginia could be building into the region today and giving us those mostly cloudy conditions for this afternoon. Looking at our HRM model for today, no chances of precipitation or lightning, just increasing those cloud coverage. Increasing the cloud coverage across the region around 6,000 to 7,000 feet this afternoon. And that'll be moving out of the region once we move in the evening hours, setting up some mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions for the overnight hours. Looking at today's high around 61, tonight a low around 38, winds gusting to around 30 knots or just below 30 knots this afternoon. So seeing that wind advisory throughout the workday today, and we'll see winds gusting back up near 23 knots by tomorrow morning at 8 local. So I can't rule out a gust to 25 at that time with a yellow for our wind. We'll see likely conditions through 4 p.m. or 1600 local this afternoon. Then continuing likely conditions, but just slightly lower than a red condition for our winds after 4 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours. Our terminal forecast will see VFR conditions today, seeing that broken to overcast sky after 1400 local around 7,000 feet. Otherwise, see some good sky conditions across the region today into tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently normal. And looking at Thursday into Friday, Thursday mostly sunny and breezy, high 58. We'll see winds gusting near 25 knots in the afternoon hours, so most likely see a wind advisory for a few hours late Thursday morning into the early afternoon. And Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and chilly, low of 37. And for Friday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny and slightly breezy, high of 63 degrees. Seeing those winds gust near 22, 23 knots on Friday for a brief time period during the late morning into the early afternoon. But most likely going to stay green here for our winds on Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.